The Huawei 80 Pro Max is the brand's ultimate flagship. It represents a significant investment in proprietary technology, defining new standards in display brightness, chipset performance, and camera versatility. Now, in terms of pricing, the device, which comes in two configurations, including a 16GB RAM and 512GB storage option, and 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. Now, according to the details, the 16GB RAM and 512GB storage would retail for about 7,999 Chinese yuan. That's about $1,100. While the 1TB storage would retail for 8,999 Chinese yuan, which is about 1,267 USD. Anyway, as regarding its top features, well, the device features a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus LTPO AMOLED display featuring a dual-layer OLED architecture. This technology enables a market-leading 8,000 nits peak brightness, making the Huawei 80 Pro Max the smartphone with the brightest display. Now, it supports a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, 1440 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, and a 300 Hz touch sampling rate. Now, the front includes a triple punch hole cutout to house a secure 3D face recognition system and a 13MP shooter. Now, for performance and software, the device is said to be powered by the custom-designed Kirin 9030 chipset, which is expected to be much more efficient and powerful than the Kirin 9020. The device runs on HarmonyOS 6.0. As I mentioned earlier, is equipped with 16GB of RAM across all models. Okay, so 16GB RAM, 512GB storage, and 16GB RAM, 1TB storage. Now, this device packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery, and it supports 100 watts wired fast charging, 80 watts wireless charging, and 20 watts reverse wireless charging. The design of the Mate 80 Pro Max is an all-metal basalt body architecture for maximum resilience. The display is also protected by second-generation Kunlun glass, and the device is rated IP68 and IP69, which means it is waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and can survive extremely harsh environments. It may also be able to withstand high-pressure water jets, but I think that's IP69K, I don't know. Now, in the camera department, the device features a quad rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor with f1.4 aperture, a 40MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and dual telephoto system, including a 50MP macro telephoto lens with 4x optical zoom and a 50MP super telephoto lens with 6.2x optical zoom, enabling up to 12.4x optical quality zoom. Now, these are just some of the top features of the Huawei 80 Pro Max. Other features include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which is kind of disappointing. It also supports NFC, OTG, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS and other essential navigation systems, and so on and so forth. Anyway, these are the top features of the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.